deposit interest rates play a crucial role in both banking and personal finance. These rates determine how much money you earn on savings and fixed deposits held with financial institutions. For banks, setting the right interest rates helps attract customers and manage liquidity. For individuals, understanding deposit interest rates can influence decisions about where to save and how to grow their wealth over time. Ultimately, these rates impact the overall financial health of both consumers and the banking sector. A deposit interest rate is the percentage paid by financial institutions to account holders for keeping their money in savings accounts, fixed deposits, or similar products. For account holders, this rate represents the earnings they receive on their deposited funds over time. From the perspective of financial institutions, the deposit interest rate is the cost they incur to attract and retain customer deposits. These rates can vary depending on the type of account, the amount deposited, and prevailing economic conditions. Ultimately, the deposit interest rate plays a crucial role in encouraging individuals to save and in helping banks manage their available funds. Deposit interest rates are determined by a combination of economic and institutional factors. Banks and financial institutions set these rates based on the central bank's policy rates, prevailing market conditions, and the need to attract deposits. Inflation, the overall demand for loans, and the competitive landscape among banks also play significant roles. Additionally, the type and term of the deposit, such as savings accounts or fixed deposits, can influence the specific rate offered to customers. Together, these elements shape the interest rates that consumers receive on their deposits. Fixed deposit interest rates refer to the predetermined rates offered by banks or financial institutions when you deposit a sum of money for a specific period. These rates remain unchanged throughout the tenure, providing a sense of security and predictability for investors. Fixed deposits are popular among individuals seeking low-risk investment options, as they guarantee both the principal and the interest earned. They are commonly used for saving towards future goals, such as education or major purchases, where capital preservation is important. The simplicity and assured returns make fixed deposits a preferred choice for conservative investors. Fixed deposit interest rates offer several advantages for savers and investors. One key benefit is the predictability of returns, as the interest rate is locked in for the duration of the deposit, providing financial certainty. Additionally, fixed deposits are generally considered low risk, making them a safe choice for conservative investors. However, there are also disadvantages to consider. Fixed rates can limit potential earnings if market interest rates rise, and early withdrawal often incurs penalties, reducing overall flexibility and liquidity. Variable deposit interest rates are rates that can fluctuate over the course of a deposit period, rather than remaining fixed. These rates are typically linked to benchmark interest rates or market conditions, which means they may rise or fall depending on economic factors. One key feature of variable rates is their potential to offer higher returns when market rates increase, but they also carry the risk of lower returns if rates decline. This flexibility distinguishes them from fixed rates, where the interest remains constant throughout the term. Understanding how variable rates work is important for anyone considering deposit options that respond to changes in the financial environment. Variable deposit interest rates offer both opportunities and challenges for savers. On the positive side, these rates can increase when market interest rates rise, potentially leading to higher returns compared to fixed-rate deposits. However, they also carry the risk that rates may decrease, which could reduce the amount of interest earned over time. This unpredictability means that individuals seeking stable and predictable income might find variable rates less appealing. Ultimately, Choosing a variable rate involves balancing the potential for greater rewards against the possibility of fluctuating returns. Fixed and variable deposit interest rates. Each offer distinct advantages and considerations. Fixed rates remain constant throughout the deposit term, providing predictable returns and stability regardless of market fluctuations. In contrast, variable rates can change over time, often reflecting shifts in broader economic conditions or central bank policies. While fixed rates offer certainty, variable rates may yield higher returns if interest rates rise, but they also carry the risk of lower earnings if rates fall. Both options are designed to help savers grow their funds, but the choice depends on individual risk tolerance and market outlook. When deciding between fixed and variable deposit interest rates, it's important to assess your personal financial goals. If you value stability and predictable returns, a fixed rate may be more suitable, as it remains unchanged throughout the deposit period. On the other hand, variable rates can fluctuate with market conditions, potentially offering higher returns if interest rates rise, but also carrying the risk of lower earnings if rates fall. Consider the current economic environment and your tolerance for risk before making a choice. Understanding these factors can help you select the option that best aligns with your financial needs and expectations. Banks and credit unions offer a variety of deposit products designed to help individuals save and grow their money. Savings accounts are one of the most common options, typically providing a variable interest rate that can change over time. Certificates of deposit, or CDs, are another popular choice, usually offering a fixed interest rate for a set period. Some accounts may also feature tiered interest rates, where higher balances earn higher returns. These products allow customers to choose the level of flexibility and potential earnings that best suit their financial goals. Deposit interest rates are closely influenced by broader economic trends and the actions of central banks. When the economy is growing and inflation rises, central banks may increase their benchmark rates to keep prices stable, which often leads to higher deposit rates offered by banks. Conversely, during periods of slow economic growth or recession, central banks might lower interest rates to stimulate borrowing and spending, resulting in reduced returns for depositors. These policy decisions help balance economic activity and directly affect how much interest individuals can earn on their savings. Maximizing returns on your deposits begins with a clear understanding of how interest rate structures work. Fixed interest rates offer stability, ensuring your earnings remain predictable over time, while variable rates can fluctuate, potentially increasing your returns if market rates rise. It's important to compare annual percentage yields, or APYs, across different accounts and institutions to identify the most competitive options. Additionally, consider the impact of compounding frequency, as more frequent compounding can significantly boost your overall returns. By staying informed and regularly reviewing your deposit choices, you can make the most of your savings. Deposit interest rates are influenced by a variety of economic factors, and they come with certain risks. One key risk is inflation, which can erode the real value of the interest earned on deposits, making your money less valuable over time. Additionally, market volatility can cause fluctuations in interest rates, impacting the returns you receive. It's important for depositors to understand these risks when evaluating where to place their funds. By staying informed, individuals can make better decisions to protect and grow their savings. In summary, deposit interest rates play a crucial role in personal and institutional finance, influencing how individuals and organizations choose to save and invest their money. We explored the different types of deposit interest rates, including fixed, variable, and tiered rates, each offering unique benefits and considerations. Understanding these options helps depositors make informed decisions that that align with their financial goals. By carefully comparing rates and terms, individuals can maximize the returns on their savings while managing risk effectively.